Hi kids, good morning. I hope you have a very nice weekend and you enjoyed this with your family. Now it's time to start working. This time we are going to work on place value to thousands. This is going to be our arithmetic class. So we are going to start working on page 84. Are you ready? Okay, let's start working now. Look at this. This is a chart, and this chart is going to help us write down and represent the place value. This time we are going to work and we are going to learn about thousands, right? We just have to remember that we represent hundreds with this square, tens, and ones. This time we have thousands. Do you see? This is 1,000. 1,000. Mil. Now look at this. This one represents hundreds. In this case we have 100. Then this graphic represents the tens. In this case, we have 110 and we say 10. And finally, look at this one. This one represents ones. This little one represents 1, 1. We use a comma to separate numbers of 3 digits. Well, in this case, there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. But we separate these 3 digits, 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits, from this one with a comma. The comma has to be here. Do you see? That is the comma. Now, these blocks can help you understand and count numbers. In this case, this is a cube, and this cube represents the thousands. Do you see this cube has more squares, and it's only 100. Do you see it's only one block? But in this case, there are more blocks. They are 10 hundreds. If they are 10 hundreds, they make 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hundreds make 1,000, right? And here we just have to remember that tens are represented by this block, right? And over here we have the ones. These little ones represent ones. Good. We are remembering. Good. Now, look at this. One more time, we have this big cube. This cube represents 1,000. So we write down 1,000 here. Over here, how many hundreds do we have? 1, 2, 2 hundreds. Good. And we write it down here, 200. Over here, how many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So that means 40, 40, right? And finally the ones. 1, 2, 3 ones. And we write it down here, right? So these numbers are the same. They are here, 40 and 3. So all these numbers, all of them are this number. All of them together are 1,243. Can you repeat after me? 1,243. One more time. 1,243. Good. Let's continue. Look at this. In this case, we have 2 cubes. So that means 2 thousands. 2000, and it's here, and we say 2000, 2000. We have the comma here. 100, because this is 1, 100, this is 1, and 43. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And finally, 3 ones. 1, 2, and 3. Now, look at this. Now that we have seen thousands, we are going to see numbers, but this time we are going to remember these numbers in words. This is a race. Look, these 4 kids are in a race. Competencia, carrera. They are 1, 2, 3, 4 kids, right? Who do you think is going to be number 1? Who is going to be the first one? He, she, him, or her? Who do you think? I think he is going to be the first one. Let's see. Yes, I think he is going to be first, primero. Now, look at this. This is a line, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 children. They are 8 children, and they have a balloon. What color is this balloon? This balloon is pink, right? And we have 8 children. Now let's see. We also have to see vocabulary. New vocabulary, in this case, camper, right, means this word. When you go camping, right, there are many campers. Cuando vas día de campo, we call them campers, right? Now, she's first, ella es primero. He is second. She is third. He is fourth. She is fifth. Right? And then he is sixth. She is seventh. And finally, he is 8. Do you see? These are the 8 children, and that's their position on the line. Now, look at this. This guy or this kid is James. His name is James. How many campers are there before James? Do you see? Before. 1, 2, 3. 3 campers are before James. Now let's see. How many campers do you see after James? Do you see? After. 1, 2, 3, 4 campers are after James. Now, let's work on this arithmetic blimp. This is the meaning, right? Now we just have to match. For example, I have the 7 days, and it matches with which one? 1 yard, 1 foot, 1 week, or 12 months. Do you have it? Yes, I'm sure that you have it. Good. 7 days goes with 1 week. 1 year, 12 months. 3 feet, 1 yard, and 12 inches, 1 foot. Good. This is how we have to remember the measurement. Well, in this case, talking about yards and foot. These ones talk to us about measurement. Now, let's work on pages 81, 83, 84, and 85 of your thick arithmetic books. Good luck, children. I love you so much and have a very nice afternoon. Bye.